Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI. Yeah, this chart is one that we talked about many times and we highlighted constantly that this chart indicates a lot of, or it sort of is a chart that is very, very weak overall. Yeah, and why is that the case? And do we have a chance for an upside reversal? Well, I can tell you that FET is closing in on a major support level. So it's definitely the time to be watching, because whenever a chart arrives at a key level, it's going to be interesting because there is a chance for a turnaround. It's basically a level where the price has to make a decision. And this is very interesting. So we want to talk about that. But what are the two scenarios we're tracking here? So first of all, from a directly bullish point of view, we are tracking here the white scenario. And this is on the lifetime chart here, a large ABC structure to the upside. We have an A wave up, we have a B wave down, and the C wave would be a 5-wave pattern, of which we already completed waves 1, 2, 3, and the 4th wave is likely unfolding right now, should be in the late stages if this wave count is playing out, and then a 5th wave to the upside should be next. Now, in this scenario, we want to see wave 5 get to, I would say, at least $4.85, better $6.22. But this is not an absolute prediction. We need a reaction to a support area. So far, in recent weeks, months, the price hasn't really given us any reason to believe that this 5th wave to the upside has actually started. So it's something to watch for, but it's not an absolute prediction. So in this scenario here, the price needs to react to a certain level. We'll talk about that in a minute, but before we zoom in, let's talk about the bearish count. Yeah? The bearish scenario is on the larger time frame pretty much the same. We can also say we have an A wave up into the 2021 high, and the B wave, however, is a very, very extended sideways correction. A wave down, overshooting B wave. B waves can overshoot. They can move to new highs, even above the A wave high. And then the C wave down would be a 5-wave pattern. And we are already working probably on the 3rd wave in yellow. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. This is a scenario that is highly likely. But as long as we're holding above support, we can't really confirm it. I think there is a level that will allow us to distinguish between these two scenarios. There is a level where probabilities shift. However, at the moment, the local trend is down anyway. So the main question is, do the bulls turn up at this key level to save the white scenario? So let's zoom in a little bit. There are two key support levels that still matter, I think, for the white scenario. The first one we're closing in on here, the 52-cent level. You know about this level. If you watched previous videos, you're very much aware of it. It is the level at 52 cents. It's the 61.8 retracement, golden ratio level. Why is this level important? It is important because this is a level where normally a wave 4, and we're tracking this currently as a wave 4 pullback, where a wave 4 should react at the very latest. Any sustained or decisive break below the 61.8 retracement typically starts to shift probabilities towards a more bearish scenario. So it's really important the bulls show a reaction there. I mean, this Fibonacci area should be relevant because the price already reacted to the 50% retracement in August. It's the time to be watching. Any break below this 52-cent level could lead to a test of the 44.8-cent level, the 100% extension. That is a target based on the internal structure. This is sort of, for me, I would say I will give it space all the way down to 44.8 cents, but below that level, it is more clearly the yellow scenario, and then probably FETCH.AI has a chance to break down all the way to, let's say, 10 cents, 7 cents, or even lower. Yeah. So this is something to keep in mind. Now, when can we say the next move up has started? I would need to see a break minimally above the last swing high at 78 cents, better 84.5 cents. For now, the local trend is still down, but we are approaching a key level. That's the update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.